everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Bliss. So in today's video I'm going to start a festive makeup look series, and this is the first look in which I have created pink eyes and glossy lips. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching this video till end, and there will be many looks, festive looks in upcoming days. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get update of each and every video that I will be posting. So let's get started. First I'm going to start with moisturizing my face. I'm going to use this moisturizer from Neutriderm, and I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck area. And this moisturizer consists of vitamin E, which is really good for your skin. Now I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics Balm Primer, and I'm going to apply it on my T-zone area where I usually sweat a lot. This look is going to be no foundation makeup look. So next step is applying concealer, and I'm going to apply concealer from Maybelline. It's the Age Rewind concealer, and the shade of the concealer will be mentioned in description box, so do check that out. I'm going to conceal my under eye area near my mouth and over my eyelids, so that I will get a good concealed face, and it will provide me good coverage so that I can avoid using foundation. After applying concealer, I'm going to use this makeup fixing spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my face. And the reason why I'm doing this, because concealer dries up quickly, and to avoid that I'm using this spray. Also it helps a lot during blending and kind of give a dewy finish to my skin. After this, I'm going to set my concealer with help of this compact powder. Again, it's from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck area just to set my base. Next, I'm going to apply this blush from Sugar Cosmetics. The shade is 01 Peach Peak, and I'm going to apply on the apples of my cheek. Next step is to highlight my face. I'm going to use this highlighter from MyGlamm, and I'm going to highlight high points of my face with help of this highlighter. Now we are going to move on to eye makeup, and for eye makeup I'm going to use this dual eyeshadow from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this matte pink shade from this eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on my outer edge of my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend that eyeshadow really well onto my crease and outer area of my eyelids. And after that I'm going to select other eyeshadow from this Nikake Autumn Spice palette, and after that I'm going to apply the eyeshadow on from my inner corner to the center of my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend that shade with the previous color that I had on my eyelids. Now I'm going to use this mascara from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply mascara only on my upper lashes, not on my lower lashes, because I'm going to apply kajal, so I am just avoiding this step to apply on lower lashes. So you can also do that whenever you apply kajal, or else you can apply, even if you are applying kajal, you can apply it on lower lashes. It's totally your choice. To complete the eye look, I'm going to apply this kajal from Sugar Cosmetics, and this kajal shade is 01 Blackout. For my lips, first I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is the darker shade, so I'm going to line my lips with help of this lipstick. Next I'm going to use this crayon lipstick again from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is the lighter shade, that's why I'm going to fill my inside of my lips with this lip color. And finally, to make my lips look glossy, I'm going to apply a clear gloss on my lips. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this video. If you do like this video and this series, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this look. So I'll see you guys in next video and next series. So keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.